All right, guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how I built this dust collection cart. This design includes a French cleat wall, plenty of ventilation, and easy access to your vacuum. I wanted to build something that was both functional and space saving. If you're anything like me, then you have a very small shop and every inch counts. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe if you do. Now let's get into it. As always, we'll start with our cuts. I'm using this 3/4 inch plywood to make up my walls. If you're building this at home, keep in mind this will take 2 sheets. I'm using my trusty crosscut sled to cut some lap joints to connect my legs to the base and top of my cart. You could cut these with a jigsaw as well, but I like doing it this way. It makes it a little easier for me. It comes out a lot cleaner in my opinion. I also just suck at using a jigsaw, but it's up to you. I like going with the crosscut sled. I'll set the legs aside to rest for a bit, and in the meantime, I will cut the extra bit of plywood I have remaining into some French cleats. French cleats have been a staple in my workshop from the beginning. I pretty much add them anywhere I can. I love the extra storage and the way they look. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of French cleats. I'm a big fan of this circle cutting kit by Milescraft. I typically like to build all my own jigs, but this one is just so accurate and convenient, and it didn't cost me $100, so I decided to get it. If you're interested in one of these, you can find it at pretty much any big box store. I've used these casters a few times in the past, and they've always worked out great. I just got them off Amazon. Nothing fancy, but they get the job done. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested. I decided to add another layer of plywood to the base of my cart. After adding the wheels, it just felt way too flimsy. The second sheet of plywood helped a lot. Here, I'm just adding a pocket hole to each leg. It just helps me secure them to the base more easily. And now it's time to install the walls. This is super easy. I'm just using a brad nailer with 1¼ inch nails. The backside will have a swinging door, so at the moment I'm just going to install the top part. For the sides, I kind of just squeeze them in between the legs and secure them to the top and the base of the cart. So these aren't actually attached to the legs, just the top and the base. And now time for the French cleats. This is super easy. Just secure one side of the bottom cleat and use a level to make sure it's straight. Then you can secure it with brad nails. After that, you just use a scrap piece of 2x4 as a spacer and just nail them in. For the door, I'm using these hinges I got from Home Depot, although you could probably get them anywhere, honestly. They cost me about $3 and they are really easy to install. If you're building this for yourself, please do not forget to add ventilation. These vacuums get really hot, especially in an enclosed space. Thank you guys so much for watching this video if you made it this far. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.